Bolt on brighter. The Morimoto Drift Light system is the perfect solution to bolt on more light output for your sports car at night. I mean, whoever decided that this kind of thing was only for trucks clearly forgot that sports cars are faster, meaning the drivers actually are the ones that really need to see further. Sports cars are often driven on the track or at backroads at night, both of which call for maximum visibility for your safety and so that Bambi can make it home too. Simply select a set of our high-performance banger LED pods in your choice of beam pattern, pair that with the brackets to make installation a breeze, and power it up properly with the switched wire harness. So we're excited to release these kits for the Nissan 370Z, the Toyota 86, the FRS, and the Subaru BRZ, Dodge Challenger, Dodge Charger, the 15 to 17 Ford Mustang, the 18 to 23 Mustang, and even the brand new 2024 Plus S650 Ford Mustang. Now, our Drift Light kits for these vehicles have been through numerous rounds of design, prototyping, and testing to ensure perfect compatibility. All of these brackets are designed to work with pre-existing mounting points directly under the hood to ensure perfect bolt-on fitment with no modifications. And each of the brackets is laser cut from 304 stainless steel and then powder coated. Put simply, the fenders on your car are gonna rip off before these things flex a muscle. And even though you guys don't give a damn about trucks, these things are truck tough, but they're made for your sports car. All right, so let's talk about the goods that you can bolt on to these brackets. Here at Morimoto, we have a full range of off-road LED pods that are meant for these brackets. And what we recommend for the Drift Lights are either the 4-banger or the 2-banger, which you see over here. Now, each of these pods comes in several different specifications. First and foremost, you have the choice of white output or yellow output. Yellow output's great if you drive in a lot of inclement weather. White is great for people who drive like all around. You just want all around great visibility. Now, in each of these pods, the 4-banger or the 2-banger, we also have 2 different power levels at 2 different price points. So for those of you guys who want something a little bit more affordable, but still offers great light output, go with the NCS version, the entry-level version of these pods. Still extremely bright. If you want the top of the line, the Mac Daddy with maximum output, you want the HXB version, which uses a higher power Osram LED chip, top of the line. From there, you have your choice of beam pattern. Now, each of these pods comes in several different beam patterns. Start with a spotlight, which is for super long distance, extreme long range visibility. If you want something that's incredibly wide, we have an SAE wide beam, which is great for fog, great for seeing the sides of the road really effectively. If you want something in the middle of that, a good mix of width and long range distance, we have the combo beam. That's a great one. That's probably what I would choose if I was gonna put these on my sports car. Perfect for driving around in the middle of nowhere and adding a lot of extra light out in front of you. And then we also make a floodlight version of them. I would not really recommend that for the Drift Light kits because that's more for creating a lot of local ambient light. Good for people who are camping and stuff like that. Not great for people who are driving fast on back roads. Now, all that being said, all of this needs power. So Morimoto also offers a full relay wire harness kit that should allow you to plug and play and control these pods with an auxiliary switch that you'll mount underneath your dashboard. You will have to do some wiring there, but it is designed to be user-friendly. It has lots of different connections to connect under the hood, to your battery, to the pods themselves, and then run that wiring through the firewall in between your engine bay and your cabin. To connect it, we've got full instruction guides available for all of the different applications to help make that a little bit easier for you. Guys, the automotive aftermarket is all about being different, and we recognize this is a total departure from what you traditionally see in this segment of lighting. But honestly, it's something that I think that the market has needed for a long time. Doesn't matter if you have a Super Duty or a Mustang. Everybody wants brighter lights so they can see more effectively at night, and sports cars are no different. These things are designed to be sleek when you mount them to the front end of your vehicle. The wiring is designed to be as easy as it comes, and honestly, the performance is gonna be a total game changer even if you're already running our high output LED headlights. So guys, check out the new Drift Lights for your car. These things are awesome and they're available now.